Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Bindu Jimon with you. If you're watching my video for the first time, like, share with your friends and consider subscribing with post notifications turned on. We were planning to make a cheesecake at home and it's the season of oranges. So thought of making an orange cheesecake, that's a better option. So let's do it. Now let's see the ingredients which are required to make the orange cheesecake. First of all, we need to make the base for the orange cheesecake. For that we need biscuits, sugar and butter. I have taken 300 grams of biscuits, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and butter I have taken 150 gram. The sugar, if you don't want, you can avoid it. Now we need the ingredients for the cheesecake. For that we need cream cheese, sugar and orange essence, as well as I have added a little bit of the juice, orange juice. So cream cheese, we can take any cream cheese that we are getting. I have taken Philadelphia cream cheese, 1.5 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of orange essence, and I have used 4 tablespoons of orange juice. We need to mix all the above ingredients well and have to add whipping cream as well as gelatin. For the whipping cream, I have whipping powder. I mixed milk along with that and made it. Gelatin, follow the instructions in the packet to make the gelatin. These are crushed biscuits and the melted butter is with us. So we need to mix it little by little and make the base. This is how it looks like after mixing our melted butter as well as the biscuits together. To make the job easy for us, even we can do the blending or the mixing in the mixer or the blender, whatever we have. Once the mix is ready, we need to transfer the mixture to the mold that we have, and we need to keep it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes to set. This is our biscuit base. Now we will keep it in the refrigerator for the 20 minutes. Now we are in the second stage of our cheesecake preparation. So for that we need to have the gelatin. I have taken 15 grams of gelatin and warm water. I have added it to the warm water and we need to mix it well. It's always better to have a fork and mix it well until the entire gelatin gets dissolved in the warm water, and keep it ready. So this is cream cheese, sugar and essence, orange essence together, and we are going to blend it or mix it together. This is the cup measurement that I have taken for the sugar. 1.5 cups of sugar I have taken of this measurement. And actually if we have orange jam, we can add that. Because I was not having that, I just added this one, essence. So now we are going to make the whipping cream. In the powder I am adding half cup of milk. This half cup of milk I am adding, and that also we have to blend together. This is our whipping cream. So now we have to add a little bit of orange essence in that one also. Now we have to mix our whipping cream, cream cheese, gelatin, orange essence, and if you have jam, orange jam, if that's enough. So all this we are going to mix it together once again. This is our whipped cream, cream cheese and sugar together. Now we need to add the gelatin to it. Now in this mixture we can add orange juice according to our taste. I have added 4 tablespoons. Now this is the final mixture for our cheesecake, which is ready. I have taken the mold out of the refrigerator. Now we will transfer this mixture onto the base, and we can transfer this now. I am transferring it now. This is how our mold looks like after transferring the entire mixture to the mold. And now we are going to keep it in the refrigerator for the next half an hour. By the time we will prepare the topping. For the topping, first we need gelatin. We have to prepare the same way as earlier. Mix it gently until the entire thing gets dissolved in the warm water, and then mix it along with the orange juice. So for my orange juice, the sugar level was a little bit less. Because of that, I have added a little bit of sugar, and if you don't want, you can avoid that part. No need to add the sugar. Now for our topping, we need to heat the mixture of our orange juice, gelatin, sugar. The sugar I haven't added earlier, I'm adding it right now. Sugar, and if you don't want, you can avoid it too. So all these together, we need to heat it until it comes to boil, and later on keep it aside for some time to cool down, and afterwards we can pour it onto the top of our cheesecake. Now our mixture is boiling, and if you want, we can add 1 drop of color also. I have added 1 drop of orange color, and it's not compulsory, we can avoid that part also. Afterwards strain and take it so that the gelatin is really very clear, and after keeping it aside for some time to cool down, I have poured it on to the top of our cheesecake, and this is the final cheesecake that I have got. Now we are going to check our cheesecake, how it is, how it turned out. So it's out of the refrigerator now. Oh, I'm excited. Let's see. Oh wow, we got a perfect cheesecake. So it's very easy to make an orange cheesecake at home. We can make a cheesecake of any flavor according to our taste, or according to the season of fruits we can make it. So it's really very easy. I hope all of you will try it and let me know about that in the comment box.